Hey guys, welcome back. Here is part 2 of the Wink Haus Euro cylinder, the 2-star kite marked. Here's the one that I picked in the last video. And we're going to see if I can get the other half open in this video. I just got done cleaning that other one up. It was just full of gunk from years and years of use, so hopefully now it will work a little or function a little better. Get zoomed in here a little bit. Go the same way, bottom of the keyway, and my deep hook from Sparrows and 15 thousandths. And we'll go to the back of the lock again and see if we can get into the other half. Feels like 5. If I can get under it. There's a click off of 5. I think 1 is binding. If I can get under. These picks are hard to get under the pin with. Such a fine point on them. There we go. That was 1. Two feels bound, but not wanting to move. That was 3. There was 4 with a little movement on the core. Or a little more, I should say. And if I can get under 2, I believe. Yep, a little counter rotation. Well, if I can get back under him. Without slipping off of him again. And open. Alright, not too bad. Now, let's open this one up, see what the inside looks, and this will answer my question if both sides are pinned the same. Or not necessarily the same, but with security pins. Screwdriver. It's another one of those that doesn't just pop off. So let's lock this up and pry this one off, hopefully. Maybe. Man, I hate these things. I hate having to break them to get them off. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Alright. Follower. Excuse me. As you can see, the keyway on this one is not near as used as the other side. Alright, key pins on top. Follower. Maybe. There we go. Alright. As you can see, all 5 are in and working as best as they can for being dirty. And here we go. Anti-drill in 1. 2, standard in 3, standard in 4, and standard in 5. No changes to the core. Not quite as dirty as the other one was. The other one, I'm assuming, was the outside side of the lock, considering it was as dirty and used as it was. Alright, now up top. Anti-drill in 1, a spool in 2, a acetype in 3, a spool in 4, so it looks like this is going to be pinned up identical to the other side, and a standard in 5. Alright, well, sorry about that, guys. Another video of basically the same exact thing, but that is the other half of the Wink Haus Kite Mark II Star. Forgot to show you in the last video, but there is the bitting on the key. So, thanks again for the donation. Locks are very much appreciated. Everybody else, there's a closer look at the pins. Like I said, it's identical to the other half. This half. So, everybody else, thanks for watching. Keep it legal, keep it fun, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.